Our 17th question, what is that? The ratio of molecular weight of hydrogen and oxygen in the water is, so ratio of molecular weight of hydrogen and oxygen in the water will be equal to, what is that? 1:8. That is the 1:8. Set up an equation between hydrogen and oxygen and draw its graph. From the graph, find the quantity of hydrogen if oxygen is 12 grams. So if oxygen is 12 grams, then what is the hydrogen we have to find? And quantity of oxygen if the hydrogen is 3/2 grams. So oxygen, then hydrogen will be equal to 3/2 grams. That is 3/2 is nothing but, so 3/2 is 1.5 grams. So if it is 1.5 grams, then they are given that if the quantities are in the ratios respectively, let's take oxygen, hydrogen and oxygen in the ratio of X and Y. So weights of hydrogen and oxygen is in the format of X and Y. So, or you can take it as, so X and Y. So this one will be X and Y. Then what is here is X is to Y, that will be equal to 1:8. So 1:8. That is X by Y will be equal to 1/8. That implies, so cross multiplied, if you do 8x is equal to y. So 8x is equals to y. So what they are telling here is, so one molecule of oxygen, then 8 grams of hydrogen is there. So that is the thing. The quantity of hydrogen is x, then quantity of oxygen is y. So oxygen y and x. So hydrogen we are given, and 8 into hydrogens, that will be equal to oxygen. So this is the format we are taking here. That is y minus 8x will be equal to 0. So you can take y minus 8x will be equal to 0 here. So x will be, then y is equals to 8x, then x comma y, then point x comma y. So here x comma y is nothing but, what is that? So x comma y is equal to, so y is equals to 8x, right? So here hydrogen and oxygen. So we are going to give the 1 gram of hydrogen, then what is the molecule of this? So 1 gram of hydrogen, then what is the oxygen? So 8 into 1, that is 8. So 8 grams, 1 comma 8, that is A, 1 comma 8. Then 1 gram, 2 grams of hydrogen, then 8 to the 16, that is 2 comma 16, then point 2 comma 16. Then 3, so 24. So 24, what we are taking, that is 3 comma 24, that is C, 3 comma 24. Then let's take 4, 32, then 4 comma 32, that is D, 4 comma 32. So like this we need to take the values, like this we need to go. We are taking x-axis and y-axis. Here x is hydrogen quantities, and y is oxygen quantity. So it is oxygen quantity on y, x is hydrogen. So scale is what? X-axis 1 gram and y-axis we took it as 8 grams. So it is the multiple of 8, for that we are taking. So 1 and 8. So first point is 1 comma 8. Then 2 comma 16. So this is the point 2 comma 16. Then 3 comma 24. So where we will get 3 comma 24. This is 3 comma 24. This is point C. Then 4 comma 32. So 4 is here. So we move on up to 32 here. So we can write so many points like this. Let's going to join. If it is a 0 hydrogen, there is no oxygen also. So it will going to coincide like this. So what is this equation? So this is the equation of y minus 8x will be equal to 0. Y minus 8x will be equal to 0. They are asked some questions. If it is the oxygen is 12 grams, then what is the hydrogen quantity? So 12 means here we need to take here up to here. What is this? 8, 4. So 8 plus 4 will be 12. So this is 4. This is 8. Then 12. Like that. Half of that 12. So if it is a 12 means, then what is the quantity of? So if it is a 12 means, what is the quantity of hydrogen? So what is the oxygen, hydrogen? So this is 1.5. So this point is 1.5 comma 12. So here what is this? This point and this point. Here oxygen will be 12, then hydrogen will be 1.5. So that is the case here. So what we are taking, if it is like this, then hydrogen is 3 by 2. 3 by 2 is nothing but what? So 1.5. If it is a 1.5, oxygen is 12. So simultaneously both are same points we are taking. So if it is a 12 grams, this is 1.5. This is 12 grams. So 1.5 grams, 12 grams. Mutually sharing the both the values here. So like this we need to find. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.